Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going over some budget iPhone accessories. Timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, the first accessory is the iPhone 12 case from Zeera. This case will not just fit the iPhone 12 but also the iPhone 12 Pro. The case is a clear case with MagSafe compatibility that gives you the ability to charge your phone with MagSafe without taking your phone out of the case. The case is thin, light and clean and easy to grip. It has an excellent drop protection thanks to the 4 enhanced corners. The case also comes with a raised bumper to protect the screen and also your lens from scratches. There's also an extra scratch resistant coating that is on the interior and the exterior of the iPhone case. The magnets on this case are really strong, so you don't have to worry about your iPhone falling off while you're using the MagSafe to charge your phone. Currently this clear case is available for the iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you're thinking of getting the case for your iPhone 14, you can also get yourself a clear case from their website. Here's a drop test of the case. This is one of my favorite iPhone accessories. This is the Zeera MegFold, which is a portable 3-in-1 foldable travel MagSafe wireless charger that can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch and also your AirPods. I really like this charger because it's a 3-in-1 and you can fit it in your pocket or even in your travel bag. I can see this being very convenient for people who travel a lot, or if you're an Apple fanboy, you can put this at your desk or your nightstand and charge all your Apple devices while you work or sleep. As you can see, this charger has 3 surfaces. One of them charges your iPhone and AirPods at 5 watts. The thing about this QI charger is that it can charge any device that has wireless charging feature. It doesn't have to be an Apple product or have MagSafe. The next charging surface is called the Apple Watch charger, which charges your Apple Watch at 3 watts, and finally the MagSafe charger, which charges your iPhone at 15 watts. What's even cooler about this is that you can charge your devices in multiple orientation, and if you want, you can use it as a phone stand while your phone charges. The next accessory is one that I think everyone will eventually need, since the word out there is that Apple might be going to USB-C instead of the Lightning cable. This is a premium nylon braided C2C cable. You might be saying, why is it braided? Well, it's braided because it gives you more durability and flexibility with your cable. Look, if you blend a regular USB cable, you can see that it is not as flexible when you bend a braided cable. This cable works perfectly with a MegFold charger. All you need is a charger brick to plug the other end in. If you already have one of these charging bricks from Apple, it would be perfect since it is USB Type-C. There you have it guys, those are 3 budget accessories for your Apple device. So far these accessories have been working great with my Apple devices. Even though these are a budget device, they still have a premium feel to it. Huge thanks to Zeera for sending these over to me. Since you reach at the end of the video, here's something special for you. Use code DR1DL3Y at checkout on Zeera website to get 10% off your order. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. If you want to see more accessories, then check this video out. Peace.